this time from Bucharest. I had just arrived back in Bucharest because I was in Vienna for a few days. As far as you know, I don't know if you guys are following my Instagram account. You're gonna see it here in the corner. I was in Vienna for a few days in order to get some problems solved. Right now we are back in Bucharest, and Cosmin from Custom Wheels, where we are now actually heading, just informed me that the Aventuri intake system for the BMW F90 M5 just arrived and is ready to install. So we're gonna wrap the car, get to Custom Wheels, get the Aventuri intake installed, and after that get also a wheel upgrade. We're gonna change the wheels, and there's one more surprise that I have prepared for you. We're gonna make another very nice upgrade in the car, in the interior, but we're gonna show you at Custom Wheels. So right now we're gonna wrap the car, get to Custom Wheels, get the things done, and I will show you how it works. Stay tuned. Straight from the M5, we just took it out from the garage, and now on the streets driving to Custom Wheels. As I told you before, we're gonna work a little bit on the M5 today. It's going to get new wheels and of course the insane Aventuri intake kit that just came in from Aventuri, and well, basically the car is almost finished. What is now missing is the downpipes from FI exhaust, because they are still developing. That means I don't have them yet in order to make the software upgrade and get some more boost, some more power. But in order to do this, you need to get rid of the cats, and they are still inside. After that, the car is able to get an engine upgrade, to get more boost, to get more power. I think it's possible to upgrade it up to 760, maybe 800 horsepower. We need to discuss it with Kai from Gorilla Performance. He's doing all the jobs on my cars, and yeah, I will let you know once done, but it's still a bit to go, because first we need to receive the downpipes, then we need to drive to Germany. It's actually not the best day to shoot outside because it's dirty, it's winter. Everybody knows winter is not the best time to film cars, especially here in Romania. It's a little bit dirty outside. Nevertheless, we have wonderful weather. It's sunny, and I'm very motivated to get things done today with the M5. I was, as I told you before, in Vienna for a few days, and I was really missing driving this car because it's sheer driving pleasure. It's not just a slogan from BMW, it's really as it is. They did a wonderful job on the new M5. I've never been a fan of M5. I didn't like the E60, I didn't like the F10 at all, but since they introduced this brand new F90 on the market, I really fell in love with the car, and it's really special because of many things that it offers. Right stock, with the stock engine, like 600 horsepower, and altogether the car as a driving experience, it's insane. It's incredible to drive it even stock. So I really look forward to see how it will perform after AQ upgrade, after the software we will do with Gorilla Performance. I think it's gonna be a beast. It's gonna sound badass. It's gonna drive like crazy. It already does now, but believe me, it's a big upgrade. It's a big difference between 600 horsepower and 800 horsepower. So I'm really looking forward to explain you a little bit the functions of the M5, because there are actually two buttons. One is the M1, the second one is the M2, so you can make your setup, your configurations very individual. That means you can set up steering, suspension, and also engine, from comfort mode up to sports, and after that to Sport Plus. In addition, what is new compared to the old M5, the old 5 Series, is the fact that you can switch from 4-wheel drive to rear-wheel drive just by clicking one button. And you can set up all these two buttons exactly how you want. That means, For example, I chose for the M2 button all-wheel drive, the 4-wheel drive, and the rear-wheel drive for the M1 button. The only thing that is interesting when you switch into rear-wheel drive is that you have to switch off the ESP. That means you cannot drive with the stabilizations on, just off. That's basically the bad boy mode. So if you want to play around, you want to do some power slides, you want to drift or whatever you want to do with the car, you gotta switch into the rear wheel drive, the rear wheel mode. That means on my car is the M1 button. Here at Custom List, we just arrived. The Venturi kit is inside, the M5 is also inside. We are now vlogging from here outside because it's really busy inside. There are many people working and a lot of noise. Let's go inside in order to do the unboxing for the Venturi kit. I'm really curious how it's made, the quality. I will show you everything, and after that we're gonna get it installed. So I'm very excited. Let's get things done. Join me, come on. After the first inspection of this Venturi air intake, it seems really quality made. I have actually no idea how they're gonna perform or how they're gonna sound, but we're gonna find out after getting them installed. My first impression, as I told you, is amazing. They look really impressive with the red combined with the carbon fiber. It gives the car for sure an impressive look when you look into the hood. Well, I'm very impressed. Thank you very much, Venturi, for this wonderful air intake kit. Done so far. Bobica just finished with the air intake of the M5, and I mentioned before when we were leaving from my apartment that there is a small surprise that I got prepared for you. It's something for the interior, and it's called carbon fiber pedals from pedalshifters.com. It's really quality made. I fell in love with the quality of these from the first time when I saw them. It's really amazing how they are built. So right now Bobica is going to mount them on the car, and we're gonna see the final result in a few minutes. Alright guys, we have actually finished our work on the M5. We have done 3 things. The first of it is changing wheels, because it was really necessary to get a wheel upgrade, because I didn't change them for a very long time. I think it was a few weeks, and now we have brand new wheels on the car. The second thing was Venturi air intake that was mounted in order to improve the airflow on the car, and it's really awesome. You can actually hear it and feel it. That means there's a specific sound of the air intake when it flows into the turbos or into the air intake, so that it's for you barely not noticeable in the movie, but in real it's really obvious. So you can hear a nice sound coming from the engine, in addition to the nice sound that comes from the exhaust system. And the third thing we did was change the pedals from pedalshifters.com. We're gonna insert the link in the description of the vlog, because they do really quality stuff, and I want you to check this out. We're gonna show you also in the carport that Vidi is going to shoot right now, also the interior, so you can get a close look at the shift pedals, because they're really amazing. So check it out now. Alright guys, so we're basically done for today with the car. We have done 3 things. As you can see in the background, we have changed the wheels. We have also mounted the Venturi intake, and also a tiny surprise for the interior. We have changed the shift pedals from the stock ones, the small ones, to big ones from pedalshifters.com, made of carbon fiber. They shift really nice. The overall looks, it's really great. The quality is perfect. I like them. I like the upgrade on the interior. I would like to add something about the Venturi kit, because some of you may not know what it's about. So basically, Venturi just delivers an air intake kit made of carbon fiber with bespoke built air filters that enhance the airflow of the car. It's improved. The car can basically breathe better. It gets more air into the turbos. That means it has more power. They say something about 20 horsepower. I don't know, we're gonna test it, and we'll let you know whether it's true or not, if the car works or performs better or not. But what I can say from the first test, because we drove it before, it sounds amazing. I can't explain, I just have to show you later. Maybe Vidi is going to take some beautiful shots where you can hear it. But it's a nice sound. You can really hear when the air intake sucks the air into the turbos, and it's basically just perfect. The sound is nothing to compare with. Hard to describe, you just need to hear it in person. And well, I'm overall very satisfied with the upgrade of the intake. I have also my wheels back because I really miss them. It's my favorite set of wheels for the M5, and enjoy Vidi's carport.
Still block out the feedback. Talk to him. Fresh, talk to him.
Thank you for this wonderful day, guys. Thank you for sticking around. Don't forget to subscribe. And right now I will show you a little bit of a sound check from the M5. Enjoy.